Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to download and use Apple Maps offline on your iPhone 17 Pro. So if you're traveling somewhere without reliable internet, in this case Apple Maps on your iPhone 17 Pro lets you download maps for offline use so that you could navigate easily and with confidence even when you're offline. So let's open Apps application on my phone, and actually you can select whole cities, regions, or even larger areas depending on your needs. So basically how to download maps for offline use. You have to go to specific area that you want to download and just press and hold it like this, and do not bother that it selects a specific street. You don't have to pay attention to that because you want to press this download button, and now this is the time where you can select a specific area that you want to download. So to do that, unfortunately you cannot just zoom in because you see that this doesn't work, and instead you have to use this frame to select specific area. And as you can see, as I adjust my frame, the size of my file increases. And to demonstrate it, you can see that I can select this much, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, you can use that, but I will go in with the smaller size, of course. For example, I want to have this offline map. And when you selected the area, you have to tap this download button to start downloading. Let's wait until it's downloaded. I can tap this three-dot button and go to my downloads. As you can see, downloading is completed, so let's test it out how it works. I will disable my internet. Let's pretend that I'm outside with no internet and I want to navigate in my city. So I open Maps. And as you can see, as I zoom in, I can see everything like I would see with my internet connection. And just to compare, I will go, and also you can see your frame that you have downloaded, this frame that says offline map. And just to reference, I will zoom into area that I didn't download, and as you can see, message no internet connection, and I will not see anything. And as I go into my frame, I can see every single piece of building and all the places that are on that map. So yeah, you can use that with confidence, as if you would have your internet connection. So yeah, that's pretty useful and convenient. So go ahead and use that. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.